Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share how you can make money listening to music. Now this is in many different formats. I'm going to share with you how you can get paid to listen to the radio. I'm going to share how you can also get paid just to listen to new songs and new tracks which are being released. And then I'm also going to share with you how you can actually monetize a playlist that you have, whether that's over on Shopify or Apple Music or a couple of different sites. I'll show you exactly how you can go through this process and start earning some money from sharing those lists. Now everything I'm going to share in this video, they're all absolutely free. The websites that I'm going to share, 3 of these websites are available worldwide and the other 2 are only available in selected countries, so there's something on this video for absolutely everyone. Now before I jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you're looking for really simple and really easy ways to make extra money online working from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll never miss whenever I upload a new video. And if you want some free resources to make some money online, then go ahead and have a look at the link below. That will take you over to my blog. I've got a members area over there. There's lots of free resources in there. There's courses, there's ebooks and there's PDFs, and they're all absolutely free. So go ahead and have a look at that if you want some free resources to make some money. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So the first website I'm going to share with you, and this one here, this is available worldwide, so this is for everyone. This one here is called musicxray.com. So you can see here, sign up, it's all absolutely free. There's a little video on here, you can go ahead and watch this if you like. So what happens is, once you've signed up, you then get an email and music arrives in your inbox, and then you get paid to listen to music. Now how much do you get paid? You get paid between 5 and 10 cents per song. Now the music that will be delivered to your inbox will be determined upon when you sign up. So when you sign up, it will ask you what sort of music that you're interested in, and then depending on those answers, they will go ahead and send some new music to your email, and then you'll get paid for listening to do so. Now there's lots of information on this page, and as you can see on here, there's no catch. Open an account, it's absolutely free. Tell us a little bit about yourself, like the sort of music that you're into, and then that's it. You'll go ahead, they'll send you an email whenever any music comes in which is related to what you like, and then you get paid. Now the minimum withdrawal from this website is $20, and they pay via PayPal. Now there's something else what I like about this website here, so let me just click on Music Xray, because not only on this website can you get paid via just simply listening to music. If you actually create your own music, then there's lots of opportunities on here. Come down here and click on Browse Opportunity, and then in here you can see on the left hand side you've got all of these different categories on here. There's lots and lots of opportunities on here, but if you just scroll down here, you can see it. This is a movie that's offering 85 grand for sync fees for up to 20 songs. But I mean, these are aimed at like people who are really involved with the music industry, so don't just start applying for these random jobs because they're worth lots of money. But on the left hand side you can go through all of these different categories down here, so you can see, let's go for some simple ones like song placement opportunities down here. We've got professional song critique, you've then got radio playlists, exposure opportunities. So if you have like a following on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, you could go ahead and go into these exposure opportunities. There's just lots of different opportunities to make some extra money on here with regards to music, and you can just scroll down the home page as well, and there's just, like I said, there's lots of different things on here. But this website, it's absolutely free to go ahead and get started with, and it's called musicxray.com, and the link will be below for you. So the next website I'm going to share with you is this one here. Now this is called Earnibly.com, and again this website here is available worldwide. Now Earnibly, this is like an all-in-one website. You can get paid on here for listening to the radio. You can also earn for, you know, the usual stuff like taking online surveys, watching online videos, playing games or apps on your phone. I've been a member of this website for a while, and what I do like about these, not only do they go ahead and pay PayPal, but they also pay, let me see, they see here they pay with Amazon gift cards. They also pay out with all these other different vouchers, but they also pay out in crypto. So that's pretty cool, and I've had a couple of payouts from these. So let me just quickly log in here and see how many points I've got. I don't think I'll have enough points at this moment in time to go and do a withdrawal, because I did one recently. And all I do on this website here is I come in, I log in, I go to the radio section, I just click on listen to the radio, and then it just goes ahead and plays in the background, and then I just earn points really. And then once you've got so many points, you can then go ahead and withdraw them. Now the great thing also about Earnibly is the minimum withdrawal on here is only £2. or I'm in the UK, so it's £2. So if you're in the US, it might be $3 or $2.50. So I can see on here I've got 106 points. So at this moment in time, I don't have enough to go ahead and do a withdrawal, because the withdrawals that I've been doing on here have been over to Coinbase. So I do a withdrawal on here, and then I go and get some Bitcoin. But this website here is absolutely free to get started with. It's available worldwide, and it's just a simple way how you can earn money listening to music. The next website here, this one is called uniquerewards.com. Now this is only available in the US, the UK and Canada. But again, absolutely free to go ahead and get started with, and similar to Earnibly in some fashions, but I prefer Earnibly over this website here. Earnibly is a lot more easier to understand and follow, but this one here, you can earn from completing offers and doing surveys, watching videos, and you can see here listening to the radio. So you can go ahead, you listen to the radio, similar to Earnibly, you listen to the radio, you earn points. Once you've got so many points, you can go ahead and withdraw them. The minimum withdrawal on this site is $20. So again, that is another reason why I favour this site, because it's $3 over here. So uniquerewards.com for residents of the US, UK and Canada. Now, the next one I'm going to share with you is probably my favourite out of all of these, because this can potentially turn into a decent passive income for you. Now, this here is called playlistpush.com. So you see here, this is the website. So how does this work? So what happens on here is artists, they're wanting to go ahead and get their new album, their new the new album or the new single. They want to go ahead and get people to listen to that, obviously. So what Playlist Push do is they connect artists with playlist owners. So if I scroll down here, I'll show you. So it talks about for artists, don't worry about that. It talks about the pricing, etc, etc. Now this is the bit that we're interested in for curators. So you can discover some of the best up-and-coming indie artists and help them launch their career each time you place a song. And then you can get paid to listen and review songs. Now, if I come down here, click on Become a Curator. This is the one you want to be looking for, so Become a Curator, and it'll take you through to this tab here. So Monetize and Grow Your Playlists, Tell Me More. So if I scroll down here, so you get paid to review songs. So you can see on here, paid to review. There's weekly payouts. These are paid out every Friday via PayPal. Support indie artists and also discover new music. Now there is a caveat to this. Let me see on here for you. So to qualify as a curator over on Playlist Push, you'll need to own a playlist with at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer or Apple Music. So you've got to have playlists on these platforms, and each playlist will have to have a minimum of 400 followers. Once you've got those 400 followers, you can sign up on here, and then you can start earning money for your playlist. And like I said a couple of minutes ago, this has the potential to become a passive income, because once you've got your playlist set up, all you would need to do is focus on. Let's start at the beginning. If you're not on any of these websites and you don't have a playlist or you don't have any followers, the first step would be to go to Spotify or Deezer or Apple Music, create an account, create playlists to different niches or different categories in music, and then you'd start promoting and sharing that content. And then once you get up to your followers, you can then come back to the platform, sign up, and then you earn money for doing so, and then effectively that will become a passive income. Now, how would you go ahead and promote that? Well, there's just so many ways that you can promote your playlist. You can do that on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, etc, etc. You can do that on places like Pinterest. You can do it on YouTube on here. There's lots of different ways that you can do that. So I personally really like this playlistpush.com. This is something I'm going to have a look at in a little bit more detail. And I may go ahead and, if I do decide to go down this route, I'll do a follow-up video on this to show you exactly how you can go into this, because I personally really like passive income. So once you've got passive income set up, they're just a great way to drive some extra money for you. But this is a great website to use. They've been around for a number of years, and if you go on here, if you come over here and go into their latest blog post, they've got lots of different articles on here to help go ahead and share. They give you tips to go ahead and share your playlist. They give you ideas how you can grow your playlist, and like I say, I just think that this is a really great way to go ahead and make a potential passive income. So that is today's video. So we've got playlistpush.com, we've got unique rewards, we've got Earnibly, and then we've also got Music Xray. Now remember, musicxray.com was available worldwide, and so was Earnibly.com. This website here, uniquerewards.com, this is only for the UK, the US and Canada. And Playlist Push, I don't actually know where this is available. Just go ahead and double check this one out where it's available. But that's enough for today's video. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.